没有流量了，你先大概看一下，其他的全在那个视频里面。手机发很费流量的，你先大概看一下就行了。我手机都没有流量了。全部都在摄像机里面，之后再上传了，你再看吧。
In the past, the price of robots was within $100,000. Newtown Intelligent has released a new generation of humanoid robot T1. The ability to imitate is still limited. Lack of action accuracy. In the past, very few robots can land on the ground. Each humanoid is multi-purpose. Whether it's bartending, or cooking and doing housework, it's no problem for him. That's not the end. It can change hands. And he's so small and so convenient. Easy to deploy. For research laboratories, industrial logistics, retail business, for housekeeping, whether it is the price. I can't believe the home robots are coming so fast. Recently, this robot is operating in more than 300 homes. It provides physical, housework, companionship and communication. According to overseas TV stations' reports, Japan's Fuji TV station filmed robots accompany children and do housework. Saves a lot of time and effort. Japanese netizens were stunned after watching it. Foreign journalists are actually interacting with robots themselves. Shopping process is smooth and natural. And then the robot does the laundry, make the bed, able to change slippers. China's technology is changing lives. In just 4 years, it directly broke the industry deadlock, become the first laboratory in China. Directly reconstructing the core brain of a home robot, with the support of data feedback from real family scenes. Accelerate the arrival of universal robots for the home. In addition, the newly upgraded second-generation F robot has also started home testing, capable of covering more complex family scenarios. The most anticipated female robot has finally arrived. Footprint Power has released a new full-scale interactive humanoid robot, Limex Luna. Personally, I think he is the most perfect robot that fuses elegant femininity with athletic thinness. Beneath the soft appearance is strong mechanical strength. 27 degrees of freedom for the whole body. Say goodbye to the rigid mechanical feeling. It mimics human behavior in real time. He will do whatever you do. In addition, it benefits from a zero-code content ordering system. No need to pay a lot of money to customize. But to be the protagonist, he made robots evolve from tools for performing tasks to creating experiences. Luna is your best choice. The most subversive part of it is that the robot goes from falling down to standing up. He can autonomously generate an optimal set of get-up movements based on his current state and goals. Remote control is actually a stronger distraction. Not only does it have to be kicked down by the people in turn, but he can still improve steadily and rapidly. A pre-choreographed fixed sequence of movements while dancing. Even the so-called recovery movements are trained in advance. Like human muscle memory. Whether it's housework, working in a factory or navigating. With it, robots no longer need to choreograph their actions individually for each task. And here's the thing. He is not a demo. It is the first large-scale commercial use of the global apparel industry. And Zhejiang People's Bank chose the most difficult thing in the world, clothing manufacturing. build a 100 billion level manufacturing ecosystem. The popularity of family companionship robots is not humanoid. The Blue Baby Method family company robot dog with family sales exceeding 25,000 units. Future Technology has launched a new generation of Baby i3. Azure self-developed hybrid Tesco Computer Group 6 chips division of labor and cooperation. The computing power has increased by 1,000 times. With about 1/10 of the cost, it has achieved the computing power performance that exceeds NVIDIA's. This also gives this consumer robot unprecedented autonomous thinking capabilities. Previous generation products accumulated 950 million minutes of use. The number of major safety accidents is 0. It is the accumulation of Azure technology that has taken root for 7 years. From adhering to the whole station system to the landing of mass production factories. It was never about making a cooler robot dog. It is the starting point of artificial labor. This new product is expected to be officially launched in Q3. This makes intelligent machines really enter the ordinary family. It's not a general-purpose ornament. The only cool mission of not being a vase. It's hard for people to survive on the job site. He is the special robot unicorn Zhuwei technology from China. He has the industry's ultimate heavy-duty architecture design. Capable of carrying loads up to 400 kilograms, it also has a long battery life of 12 hours. Not only strong, he can even hold down to -40 degrees. Stable operation in extreme environments up to ridiculously high 85 degrees. This strength is unique in the entire industry. He was able to do his job in all kinds of harsh environments that humans couldn't stand. Let the machines take risks. This is the whole point of the existence of Zhuwei technology robots. Here comes the real super heavy industrial machine horse. You wouldn't think he could carry a car, load capacity up to 1 ton. It is to replace humans to go to the most dangerous places to do the dirtiest and most tiring work. All natural joint torque with it to K&M, 5 times the industry level. 45 kilowatts UHV system with regular capacity of tons. The battery life reaches a terrifying 1 to 2 days. He can assist humans in patrolling the harsh snow-capped mountains. Fires are definitely where robots are needed the most. Water pressure and high-temperature environment. Whether it is a mine site, snow or mountains, he can handle it easily in any harsh environment. This is the real super steel beast that people look up to. Deep in the clouds, brand new Thundercats M20s is finally here. He achieved amphibiousness for the first time. In this extreme low-lying site, can drive a high speed. What's even more amazing is carrying a weight of tens of kilograms. Extreme road conditions such as ruins and steep slopes. His running speed has also increased significantly, reached an amazing 32 kilometers per hour. And he's brought the noise level down to under 55 decibels, significantly improved the ability to perform tests in the dark. This marathon claims to have 300 robots participating. Why was it crushed by a mobile phone manufacturer? Honor's champion robot was developed and landed in just 1 year. Let's have a good chat about this today. There is no strict uniform hardware standard. The default is to allow customized modification. If you look at his hips, they're absolutely magnificent. He also uses high-capacity batteries, ultimate lightweight. They were all in production. Many of them are mass-produced models pulled directly from the production line factory. But even more interesting than that, the speed of speech can achieve the ultimate action self-circle. Real experts always keep a low profile. FIGG is still China's top choice. Silently rooted in the industry. Household daily service. What's really required is upper limb dexterity. Real-time decision-making. The future of pedestrian robots. It's not just about who runs fast. Tesla as an industry leader. Its mass production schedule is a win-win for the entire industry. BYD Foxconn. Airbus, Texas, Honda, these Fortune 500 companies are all his customers, in order to enable humanoid robots to scale faster. Who controls the giant deep intelligence core? Robot traffic police in Shenzhen. It can be intimately reminded to wear a helmet. At the just concluded Nanjing Trade Fair. Very intense work. And the arrival of this robot traffic police. It will revolutionize the traditional model. He can not only make time at noisy intersections. You can schedule Q&As remotely. It took about 2 months to build this robot, and it's able to run the entire half marathon consistently, and far surpassed last year's half marathon champion. It is the only amphibious robot dog in China. Release the world's largest formal tactile data set in the physical world. As the first innovator to propose the VDNA architecture, and Dayman has the largest non-stereoscopic dataset in the industry. It is equipped with the world's largest outsourced deep data collection network. Demon also shared 10,000 hours of data with the entire industry. And the first 1,000 hours of real-world data has been officially launched in the Alameda community. Valuation breaks 20 billion. robots have been so popular in the past 2 years. Team routine ecological layout long-term investment territory coverage, full chain of data collection to home services. Really explosive, once the first amphibious industrial-grade robot dog in China is launched. It also pushed the limits of 4 groups of robots to a new ceiling. Powerful off-road performance. Unparalleled balance. The mechanics are impeccable. Its own technology is also rooted in scene applications. Knowing that landing is king, this rising star, who has been established for less than 2 years, 5,000 robot dogs were delivered last half year. From laboratory to large-scale mass production delivery. The race for quadruped robots is far from over. It could even be said that it's just the beginning. Once released, it shocked the domestic and foreign technology circles. No matter in terms of innovative ideas or overall performance. Once the rebellious Boston Dynamics. You start with the hydraulic to the electrical. A truly disruptive breakthrough. We've seen robots do all kinds of extreme movements. But these are essentially mechanical replicas of predefined movements. Playing tennis is completely different. The trajectory of tennis changes every moment. Robots must implement perceptual intelligent decision-making like humans. Angle and rhythm. Allows the robot to adjust autonomously and flexibly for different incoming balls, to ensure that movements do not deviate from a natural human pattern. Once the video is released, even Musk is amazed. Tesla's original person in charge of autonomous driving was even more shocked. He even ushered in a new era of fully autonomous movement for humanoid robots. Orders are skyrocketing. He has outstanding mechanical qualities. Not only can it magically use the hand as an active support, you can also get up quickly from a fall with ease. It can be on a steep slope, running steadily over the complex terrain of the lawn. It has one wheel and 2 legs. This allows him to have extremely low cost and ultra-high mobility. The 2 drive modules on the inside of the wheel are directly connected to the legs. Gives him great balance and nimble steering. This is the world's first garden robot powered by AI. He can lift up to 3 kilograms with just 1 arm, can efficiently and automatically pick up garbage, help you take care of the lawn. The most amazing thing is that he can be trained like a child. It only takes a few demonstrations in front of him, and he learns. In addition, it can charge fully automatically. The global machinery market is being gradually conquered by this enterprise in Shenzhen. Li Qiang has built a powerful robot business empire. Developed the world's first desktop collaborative robot, and with the first 3 characteristics, all core components are self-developed. Of the world's top 500 companies, including Mercedes-Benz and Porsche, choose Shenzhen. 15 high-end industries such as medical surgery. Down to the unmanned store in the This is real science fiction coming to life. The combination of propeller and wheel is ingenious. It can change its shape and movement posture at will. Smart use of propellers. It can even stand up like a human. Korean robots are so good. This agile robot dog was redeveloped by the Korea Institute of Science and Technology. He can not only easily overcome various obstacles, you can also skillfully hit the wall and parkour. In addition, his jumping distance is as high as 1.3 meters. He has off-road ability on both feet, speed of axle movement, and manipulative performance of human shape. It has a modular design on the top. You can install any part you want except the arm. This is the latest robot developed by Bannon Technology that can be fully automatically spliced and separated. Instantly becomes a full-leg robot dog that is more stable and strong than 2 feet. When facing complex or dangerous environments, he can quickly split into 2 agile bipedal robots. The other one can also complete the task independently. Its global cumulative shipments have exceeded 80,000 units, leading the way in business services and retail. Note that all the videos we are seeing now are actual applications of Yujiang around the world. This is an unmanned supermarket abroad. It can accurately place the order according to the customer, plan the route independently to pick up the goods. What you see now is the Sadie milk tea robot. In the process of waiting for milk tea, and he dances, he can also make pancake fruits, bartending, etc. With him, most resorts will become unmanned stores in the near future. This is just an ordinary robot dog. It's actually a combination of 2 such wheeled robots. This is the only Transformers in the world that can actually doppelganger and regroup. And when it separates, it immediately becomes the powerful wheeled robots. This is more powerful than autonomous driving. Almost 99% of our robots today are electric and mechanical, and the cloned robots are the real androids. So once it's perfected, it's almost indistinguishable from a human. He is the only human robot in the world that can run steadily and at high speeds in snow. In addition, his balance has also been greatly improved. Whether it's push-pull or impact, he can be as stable as man-type. He successfully challenged 130 super long steps through visual perception. Become the world's first humanoid robot to continuously climb multiple steps outdoors.